In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add outline to text here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do because of the features that Canva has. Now, to do this, all we want to do is click onto our text that we want to add an outline to. Then if we come up to effects just here, we have all these different ones to choose from. Now the three main ones which you can use is this outline one just here. So what this is going to do is keep the same color as your font, but then add an outline. And then if we click on this little color circle, we can change that color to anything that we want or choose from some of the default colors down here. Now, if you already have a hex code color in mind, we can click on the little plus icon and then add it there. Now we can also play around with the thickness of this outline as well, just like that. Now what we can also do is use some of the other features, like this hollow. So this hollow is simply going to add an outline, but keeps the inside transparent. Now the outline is actually the colour of the font that you choose. So if we change this to black, it's going to change that outline just like that. Then if we click onto here and use this bar, we can play around with the thickness of that outline as well. Now the last one which we can play around with is splice. So this kind of gives it a drop shadow just like this, where we can play around with the thickness of that outline, the offset of that kind of shadow as well, along with the direction. Then if we want to change that to any colour, we can do so just there. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add an outline to text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.